In this video, I'm going to be going over the best 1v1 start for each game mode, starting off with PGs, but later in the video, I'll get into more advanced modes like Zone Wars, Realistics, and Box Fights. Alright, so starting off with PGs, the best start is going to be this. So basically what you want to do is you start off with, instead of just a normal ramp, you want to start off with the floor and ramp facing to the side. That way, you can jump straight up and already be halfway up your ramp. You're then going to want to tack sprint a little bit up this ramp until you can place a floor that boosts you up, and then a ramp that you can stand on. Then you'll want to tack sprint 90 twice into a click side jump. The reason this is the best start for PGs is because you ascend 6 layers in just 3 seconds. The next mode is Speed Realistics. Speed Realistics has 2 starts, one offensive start, one defensive start. On the offensive start, you're going to want to use the momentum you get from the initial boost to slide up your ramps to ensure you get high ground. From the defensive start, you want to make 2 boxes as quick as possible to make sure the material has more HP by the time the aggressor gets there. The next start is for Zone Wars. I'll be splitting Zone Wars into cuck starts and height starts. So for the cuck quick dead start, you're going to want to edit your cone the opposite way of your opponent. You're going to want to side jump out and immediately place a floor and a wall. Once you have the floor and the wall here, you're going to want to drag 2 cones to the right and then place 1 more wall. Generally, your opponent will end up on this cone and you'll have the wall control to make it take a shot. As for the cuck start to cone height, you're going to want to edit your cone towards the opponent. You're just going to want to start out with the normal side jump with the ramp facing your opponent. Then you're going to want to place another ramp and do a clicks 90 off of it. And then from there, you can either ramp and try and cone, or you can do another clicks 90 and try and cone. For the height start, you want to edit your cone towards your opponent and start off with the normal side jump. Then from here, you just want to do 390s into a clicks jump, and you want to tack sprint up all of these ramps. For box fights, it's extremely simple. You want to claim the corner opposite of your opponent and make sure you have wall control behind you so you have builds to fall back on. If I know my opponent's in that corner, I just want to build a 2x2 in this corner, just like so. I also want to make sure I have these 2 walls back here, because if I'm fighting someone and they grab the wall behind me, I'll have nowhere to retreat to. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. I got a new mic, so hopefully the quality should be better, but I am sick right now, so my voice is going to sound weird. No long outros. Bye.